Welcome to the membership tutorial on how to navigate the Knowledge Center. Please make sure you are logged into your account. IDA has a wealth of industry-specific information for our members to explore. To begin your search, click Knowledge Center. Here you can search through documentation separated by the 7 domains of place management, leadership development, organizational management, economic development, policy and advocacy, public space management and operations, planning, design and infrastructure, and marketing, communications, and events. If we were interested in resources related to winter events, we would click on the Marketing, Communications, and Events topic. Then filter further using the subtopic of Events and click Filter. You can also search more specifically within a domain by typing here. In searching for the word winter, we will see different resources within this domain or subdomain that fit our search criteria. Notice that the resources have different types, like awards. You can filter further by other content types like webinar, toolkit, etc. If I select presentation as well for my search, the system will pull up winter-related presentation-style resources geared toward the event subtopic. Thanks for following along as we explored what you can do with your IDA membership. For more assistance, please email customer service@downtown.org.